Hey, what's going on, folks? This is Keith and you're watching Barbour's Auto Help. In this video, we're going to be replacing the key fob battery for a 2019 Jeep Renegade. The first thing we need to do is remove the blade from the key fob. Once the blade is removed, we can then take a flat blade screwdriver and separate the two halves of the key fob. Once the battery is exposed, we can then pull it out of the housing. Pay attention to the way that the battery is oriented, as you'll need to put the new battery in the same direction. Install the new battery. It is recommended to place a small dab of electrical grease on the face of the battery where it comes into contact with the circuit board on the other half of the key fob housing. Join the two halves of the housing together and press. Reinsert the key blade into the fob, and you're done. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.